Koneni na kithomo na rukirirwe mundi twina tongore kuma na ara chukuruni ya Tharaka University twina bwaga ugu atukaina mbere kwa tukiaragiria mantu mwanya tumakona na kithomo na muno nkuruki tukayo tukimurikaga mantu makona na mbombithi na kithomo kogu ethina mbere kwigure kionini ya TV ya ukengo tukaina mbere kwa tukimurika mantu mamothe na twiwa tukiana lakini mbere ya monde twina mbere kwa tukimenyiba twina bwanda ni studio rukirirwe mundi kengo twiwa tukiambagira boya kuma mwisho na ara karibu sana kiongozi Kethi Murithiri wa Meru TV mwere maritu kengo twiwa tukiambagira boya
atikire ponte ba Meru FM kuvuka binde ukirwa nario lutawa Semanja Mutananyara ndilo ndemo twa Tharaka University ndemo tongoro atwa ndamiro tenda tosara ndeba rezara demo Meru tumetamtoa yende area ya Kilimamungu tuaita Wakalule au Luongo Luongo ndio mtwa Tharaka University and ndena sore bakwa baambia ndia bwao nyabota bakedia Meru
wewe sana thank you Nchamba karibu sana Kethi Murithiri wa Meru TV salimia watazamaji kidogo nkomeaga ukuruka kanini lakini karibu sana.
Asante karibu. Kwa majina naitwa Maura Geoffrey. Tena msalimu kwanza niseme asante kwa kufika Meru TV. Mimi ni one of the leaders Tharaka University. Nimesimamia kiti cha welfare director for the student na hapa niko for now I'm a student, a third year student, pursuing bachelor degree in education, basically mathematics and business. Na tumetoka huko Tharaka University, tulichaguliwa juzi hatujaka, election ilikuwa ya tarehe 31 na tukafanywa inauguration tarehe 11. So shukrani.
Asante sana, karibu sana. Karibu nani ya gaunde na mrembo akatukethi kinyawe. Karibu sana. Tukethi tuere kinyawe marieto mako.
Aya, asante na tubakaribisha. Muthikirio Meru TV muga rukirirwa na arwa. Mbeta wa Sofia Mutaura bumete Tigania science ya Mikindori tora ya Kaiga. Ndi murito wa Tharaka University. Ndi murito second year mwaka jere na betha ndugamirite gite kia organizing secretary ankiwe na kitungu no ntokemeru
kidogo
tibaba ni bakamenya na betha ndi organizing secretary of school ara Tharaka University ituenderete boya ituwatirite aditwa na tuareto ya kenda to represent Tharaka boya.
Bega sana, thank you very much Murithiri. Tukao tunambere kwa twekaraga ndetu tunambere kwa twina rwarirwa ndakiga nona na tongole baba balitwa aro I don't know bwana treasurer how does it feel kwithirwa ore in that position maybe ore gwata maybe ikokagita kambere mbere buru okay, so how does it feel?
Ndio mbere nakuwa na 90 mwaka yeli na kilo tongolwa university antoka ngino tima baba unkuma ba mwaka ya 3 lakini Mungu na mtendenda mwenye kumala ide mwaka yeli and there was we was there bakiwa kuna furaha ya kibogoyo mwenye amepata meno so we did na kugorupio kwa ndena that chance ya kusaba Tharaka University ndi mwaka yeli kumaanisha bado next year ndena future ngine ya kwani etikingi different capacity nde winkari ya treasurer kwa bungu leto pio nto nyogulelia mtu anje kumkantura nenya hatukumenyekana kwa bayana iko but atrima the idea Tharaka University kumekana national yeah.
So campaign ya karakali ata
campaigns yare very tough kutari ko boto but tusiomelie ono wajaribu tu unajua kitu ni kujaribu ndo atwanjiri campaign in January twanika campaign manifesto twagwethia ulenge on tu atikire ground ndio tu ni kugumu
okay competitor bonde watu wale hapo everyone na a chance ya kuwin but ala mwisho si community bakaamua
of course babuna wao ba muaga
community bakaamua baroma batwi na tungo tukaroma
wow bega sana kiongozi I don't know how does it feel like with the role in such position I don't know whether it's your first time you know how does it feel?
Actually it feels good. Actually it is my second time.
Okay.
My first time when I was in second year nilijaribu kiti cha faculty of education and I got number 4.
Okay.
Out of that I made a decision that kuvujika kwa mwiko si mwisho wa kuchonga ugali. Nikaamua forever nitahakikisha kwamba ndoto yangu imetimia. Afterwards nikakuja nikavai for director of student welfare. Actually we are 3 contenders. Finally out of 3 actually we got the majority vote. 10 out of 10 majority vote.
Wow,
so it feels good. And with my team here actually we are on the same page. I think we are reading the same page.
Kila kitu iko sawa. Sophie?
Aya, okay. Ambu onira mbere not the second year. Darka University beti kila kia second year na third year kovai for political seats. Iri mbere na oni apenere tamirako kiare kia makoma kia mwathani nonto ntapingi. Ira to alomire ndatwikire ini kandare organizing secretary. So ndi aka school yonere ndi na potential automatically.
Bwana utima na makubunge.
Kwa te kanta pingi na ndaigiro ngoreto muno na nkolokia mpira mwathani boya no ntukene ura uthana kwake wanjarene. Watwika okay no uthana kya kwitha we linda but it happen utitarajiete no nto brother ono and bandingire thimu bambira tuwikira toke position eu tuone nata guka tugeta kwa ile ke list uteonge ndaikirwe nganeri ndikongweretwe na ikyo no ntuchokaira murongo nkatho na as a team tunkumeretwe team na tuirende muno kurutira Tharaka ngwe ndawire nyato ikante pingi ntete kere opportunity ya kurea kuruta ngwe not to next year and then that chance not to do that year nkenda kuloma kitene kingi and that ndenda kuruta ngwe to my level best kenda next year maybe and then that chance ya
wow. I like that way sana nontubo gatuchokera kirimantu makona mbombethi I think kaingia na bani ni ibetha wabaye kuthukaga utongoria sana nontu maybe wa challenges ile chili ya nambere kuikionekanaga ndeni ya utongoria iki nontu yitu kubwe muhimu mbombethi kuwa bali ndeni maybe ya mautongoria
no kuona bwana Phineas utongoria just to wanjaza as just a small step uko kulelia daiwe ni dadoma skuringe mero aito ajia boys nde form 1 baba tamono ndari very focused na ndari na hamuna kwa utongoria mahali and ndari very disciplined utongoria no hodwa ndekori kana principal watu irare hodwa utenda tabia mbaya kila kitu inapotea so tabia ndio inaleta kila kitu no though tena mbecha no kutwa yenyewe ndio kuite very well but character kipotea kila kitu inapotea so character kwa na maintain kuwa very disciplined and not dangerous that step ndio kumanda ha prefect ndio kumanda chama no guidance and counseling ndio kumake Christian Union ndio organizing secretary endelea uko tuka the more nakuwa the more naelewa mambo na uongozi so ukakuwa niko na ile urge kwangu tu na feel tu nafaa kuwa kiongozi so inatokanga ndani yako you cannot utumia kwa Jeremia wa pap mkongozo wina ka process kupitia no anjiriti 0 what step 1 2 3 mongari wali na kurika na ndege mbere KCSE ndere alitoa nyana ngeta university because we ndari shu anka ta university ndo ni ndamelete dalili na nkaithima umekuwa kwa kukinya na ndona investing kanjoy na kinyana geta nkamutongoi antu bakalwelea bakanjinya ku discourage bakwira au no wale mwanzo boa lakini onike dictionary kwa maisha teri etwa yatumbeka dictionary kwa teri kwa yatumbeka there is no word impossible in my dictionary nda kwa tukawende very focused antu nyaba discourage kwa tukatu na encourage amonkalu ale nakona de wiki becha
chena so ikingo tonkorete why is it ikinontu ibwega anabani ni kanamba umbethi kwa bakethunga ndani ya siasa
nuko kulelio kona batu dai tuirwa itu atongori baloyo lakini ukulelea batu tukari tambe wembethe itupitia challenges si bingi mno ili kueleweka na antu ave na tumia katuriru hapo ndani no kulelea technology iko advance mno mantua mengi everything ye kawita dai iki technology olweliona mto o mwede aroma kotika kinya atongo antu babengi bayendo consider mtu awe na mecha no lele kinjenzi mantu na mecha kidogo ilindi nonto we are still growing kotika ndiki kitwa join the world of politics or to these leadership positions in the country kotika ibo kwa bobo kotika antu watu tuamini waliona tu yaka ni mwanki tu ya kuora anytime but it is not like that but to haria antu babethe to ina leadership qualities na tutomete dai kidhomo mtu adobe ngiba domi dai na kile ndegoroto kuria dai utidhomi kwa bobo mno sabai no do everything in the way kidhomo we sasa we as young people or youth they have to go look for these seats to lead our people inatukalia ngumu kwa sababu unakuta kinywa nyaenda kama chama ligaku kakaya karanu na mbecha kotika antu watukona that potential kotika bale ba consider wote kwa mtu akaya ukaulilo mutulu ari ukaewa mbecha na tano but the tomorrow future kotika area affected but watu tukari young people watu kuona that chance to atukumeka kwa sababu tunajua bado future tuko lakini mtu kuma tumeka tu atoria advanced kidogo inakuwa ni ngumu kuwork na youth
asante kiongozi I don't know what are some of the challenges ila maybe mbethe bakurukagira ria bathungira utongoriani na maybe tukireithaga na rutere tetha inwende rutere wa chukuru you are now a leader na Aratharic University maybe what are some of the challenges ira gomba kwewa wa kurukira na ugachen counter
for now kuna challenges mingi sana ya kwanza tuanzie na siasa ya nje unapata kama wananchi wana expect wewe juwe umesema you are vying for a certain seat uwapatie kitu wewe sasa tumemaliza for example namaliza next year so tukumaliza next year na election ya 2027 you can see the minimum time mimi kutafuta pesa ama kitu kingine niweze kupatia hao wananchi so when you wanakuja na pesa like wazee wetu they will appreciate those than us hiyo sasa inatulimit sisi kama Gen Z kuvai for these seats and actually unapata mevai mara kwanza nikiangalia venye kuli happen na kufaro so hiyo inakuwa ngumu kwetu sure
okay bwega sana Sophie ntikumenya manifesto yaku ya karakarange tana mubango waku gukinyithia chukwe maybe Aratharic University ko
okay manifesto yakwa yaradara yayo rada decidere ka linda o university na bethende meakwithira kwina congress na the governing council na governing council twitha twi no na boss ba congress twitha twi na ndoket mwanya na ndiki ndokete kwa ithai ndoket mostly ya kubanga event cia school na last year ikwari na some issues inkai na mbunkumite at least kenda to rectify kwa tuika kubanga event to target the group ira nene kabisa nonto skuru ukenda event ya successful no mwaka withe wina arito apa baingi no cho njira nyingi cia kureta arito amwe like ende kwina event twenayo ya drug addiction awareness and mental health week to bangete event yeu nonto ba dukiembethi tuinde ara skuru ingwitikia miaka eto irenji 18 mwaka kwita mbere nonto kwina baraba masters na baraba nge bakubithia different courses na bara we enje au ikendelea etete au so ukona ana baba ingi baba kunguma ke mantra mai enje eto 18 kwita 24 au ni baba ingi bari so ukona yani Day Sophia ndo amirite gite ya organize turenda organize event inje to return into Kimbethi that drugs sometimes they stay the kiamno baba ingi ba uaicha kurita stress batokea kumia after kya kuongela stress kurukia bora o expect so to an event ya you that is one of my docket and my manifesto ira kwenda kuoyoria na in work I've already started working on it ndirare a meeting abo oranikirite na komea mostly cha persons na itokubanga event ya you alafu event ingembanga ya event cha cultural week twitha twinio ya ku represent culture cionde ira ci Tharaka University twina communities 13 ara school na Meru one of the community na itwitha twina to practice culture setu kenda tutika urero imanto yara aciari betu babithakia itwenda Ameru na culture wingi batika ulelwe imioroto nonto wailia anto bakara ibare amioroto emea in terms of discipline are so disciplined so that is another kureta culture samwe as a organizing secretary na kubangira inya first years freshers na itengongi nonto itwetelete arito na itubetelete mno na betha bakemenya beyete Tharaka ben organizing secretary the best ora babangira the best event so that is some of my dockets alafu ingi games and sports na sichendelete boya na ibatura beta games uten games ikila wa skuru eto ito era kya kunacha talents baraba games baraba swim badminton chionde ito banacha na ida endo kete kwa bando na ibendelete boya na every weekend kweta kwena games and sport na ba participate to all other universities in Kenya so endewe murito Tharaka we na opportunity ekulungira all the universities in Kenya nonto ugatiri ma games da ichirare musinde muliro Kakamega next maybe ketha sie Nyeri like where Tharaka University uketha wina opportunity ya ukuria talent na ku adventure na ku explore ke university iringi chonde si Kenya nonto tuteitha tu elimi yeah that is one of my manifesto nenkwenda tukura as a youth tukekura kia talent tukura ke spiritually ke education ndio the main aim
bora sana gatoya kiribu bwana treasurer kangi tuonaga chukuru mbinge chia universities bena magomo so unfortunate to tina the president ya lakini ngweteya with that capacity ya kwali ndero taino most tuona chukuru kanyamuka nini ga kareka kwa kwena mugomo kanyamuka nini ga kareka kwa kwena ntikumenya plan ye ne rekota cancel otigela at least nonto na kuria kwena migomo era mingi minyaka ele mitaga kinyama thomo machukuru kethera anto bakuchukuru kwingwa anto bakwenuka anto bakorea nini ntikumenya bangwa no rekwa gutira at least mathina mama kumira ndeni ya chukuru bokwina mbere kwa bwe kandana na mona kumachwera ntaira na njira yagirite
kintu kambere kuma Tharaka University ilianza kutaka kuna mugomo like the time kwa ina mugomo ya ma lectures wa university university tutakonne kulwa university jingi irabuda security on January mwaka yo kia last semester. But the university we did exam in December. Toba dikeri tare batire. Nundu university to the relationship to ya alitoa atongori barito na administration to take into account. Na the university kugoma nugomo. Nundu batu tukari ya tona atongori barito. Tuna itu baritana. Tukuleta hizo programs. Kwa kuna any issue before itakuwa incited by people ileta mgomo we tackle it. Na ke school yetu visi yetu Professor Muriongi ni visi dharwa supportive mno ke alitoa utin program yonde atopareta aragodwa in support no komento bingi bito ma universities yogoma ni kwedrwa the administration in school it is supportive creator but here university yetu administration is very supportive. Example mtu akota proposal wari within a month itakuwa imeshughulikiwa. Kwa hiyo kuna issue na iko rahisi creator tujima na watu kata tongori batatu karia twaita tokera awavisi na visi wetu mtu ni munene whether ni munene lakini edhare kwena watu tukati taitwa atu treat yana so manto yako endelea ke family nedhara aware nundu eking ground ateria aide tobisi nedhara eking ground kwa tukendi the challenges ya tabo kirokira badaka university tumweleza anaelewa haraka kwa sababu ni mzazi na mwenye ako kwa ground unaelewa sasa uko kule ni Kidaraka University ito watu ni nyambasari no kulelea toba ingi mugombo yoba kutokea rea ndakutweka hapa tukubwe exam lakini Kidaraka University tuwe watu na internal bursary ila ikuwa altobra mea noti memutono noti na kulea kubwe kerio muntu ena balance campesa income gritano grichiri kwa tuka wonikire ofisi ya treasurer kwena bursary ira professor Peter Muriongi Visio University allocate rate sio tete retoma bate ndiko tukotira kichale jontu mba price ke fee payment nonto batu offer ko with exam because of small amount of money iyomba nileta commotion no clear to but totima this internal bursary tunapewa na administration tukaya artobara kwa tuka artwa iba kuona the administration is really caring menya the one day yenye napenda na visi wetu anasema Kidaraka University Kidaraka University kwake wanafunzi ni watoto wake na umanye muchiari akaita mukuru na mukuru ayukirie antu na bedia na bawe you care for those people but no botima it is the only university in Kenya VC together Christmas
wow
yeah.
That's so good.
Last time as we were climaxing the semester VC na tudenjire atumonde kwa University until 85 at above na tudenje tware atwanywa atu appreciate muntu uyu ni uyu muchiari thai ko kwina program tu tuna school yote dia atupando raben bombete family sina challenges kuna program either school ya kuatongwe to make tane zonko work stand unafanya na bado unasoma itangwe madhamai na at the end of the month kwa tuka no kuona a small upkeep inaomba wite there no kaigwe nyumbela dilo kwa tuka we no kuna smooth running
ibora no to what time maybe ubangete atakwagirithia this docket of yours
bere ki treasury kuna basi yesu tukia na school ende oni nkwenda kulu for more funds other than the internal uko kulele kuna friends of goodwill kuna many organizations ambazo zinafanya sponsorships no kulelea atopatu tukoona them more challenged we can reach at these people to link nabo but tutaiba boost bursary yetu kwa example tu ana bursary 500,000 or a million with these people to abakinyela we can boost the bursary through them kuteke ito kwa ana bursary nya milioni 5
Well, thank you very much. Maybe in 10 years, or 10 years, in the few months to come, maybe, what do you want to see Tharaka University ikiwa?
Actually, to me, not some years.
Months, actually, yeah.
So, for the intake of September, for now we are about 8,500 students. We are aiming at about 12,000 students, so that we can increase our population. Because I believe that Tharaka University is our identity. Because tunapata, for example, let me say I congratulate our lecturers. They don't lecture, they teach. They teach. Whereas other universities, they do lecture. So our university ina facilitate kila mwanafunzi. Sio kama, let's say, kuna mwenye ako of high IQ, mwenye ako low, na kwa average. So wote they are cared of. So in future, Tharaka University tunataka kuona at least we can accommodate even about 15,000 students. Dio at least hata hii Tharaka community yote as a whole benefit one way or the other. In another way, in my docket of student welfare, this is the one of the sensitive dockets, whereby in case student wasema nataka hii, sababu providea, these people can strike. So our docket tunahakisha kwamba penye our treasurer amesema we have the work study. Hawa watu at least wanafanya kazi juu we believe that si hatujatoka kwa familia zinatoshana in terms of well-being. So hawa tunahakisha kwamba wanapata work study hiyo yanasema even so at the end of the month wanajipia current wanakuwa sawa. Tunaingia kwa healthcare. Our healthcare side to improve and we have been communicating the able Vice Chancellor anatuambia kwamba we shall be having our digital digital tutoke kwa paperwork tuende kwa digital of which will be beneficial to our student. Tukiingia kwa mambo na accommodation, we are trying our best to ensure that we can accommodate in terms of housing a large number of students. As for now, so far we can accommodate about 400. So tukiingiza hiyo namba itakuwa better. So na tunaendelea kuona venye tunaweza fanya Tharaka University grow. We love Tharaka University and we know our Vice Chancellor shall be somewhere.
Thank you. Bwe kiongozi. Sophia, I don't know tamwana mwari ndikomenya which are some of the challenges ira wethiritwe kurukira ndeni ya utongoria na maybe kwena mtumba kwa watu relate na arome mwana mwari thiritwe kuthukara sana kwethongira ndeni ya mantu maybe masiasa muntu togomba kumwirata.
Okay, mbere kwe mwana mwari kunkumaki political ground ni dayomi etidai tebaire yintu kya raisi nonto nyoa tweka ntapingi no uriba itware challenges nyingi alafu ukaona mwana mwari bombere mostly campaigns ibitha kwa utuko mostly misamanyo yithaire utuko na we mwana mwari ende ya bato itatu in governing council ni antu mwanja na to ibaile akiari kwa twika utewa utwitikia no tutemwana mwari utewa itikia tubatire wito tuko unaona kwa twikaende nyawe tanara kire arito bangi na uno kaba kuria na ta ukumanage kakwe bobi thete kenda wona itike ukona kwa twikaende baba ingi ba ku discourage bakiona kama mimi kwe bobi therie something bad kenda twika urite nikyo but borambo mbikia kwira mwana mwari kaita kati kiti arira tona to viumbe dhaifu kwena gintu kita believing in yourself ya oni nchi mbeta yani then that confidence in me na kwenda nchi etikia na ingwetikia I can as long as I have this task ahead of me gether then that courage ekuwa I can burambo mbikia kwa encourage mwana mwari yu iko sianda na rira mtu ya ako discourage mwire kwetha we mwana mwari ti kwetha kawe na upungufu wa akili ka upungufu wa something else wena potential ekwa president ekwa deputy president like msichana hii ni time ingine tumesoma, we are exposed, we know what we want in life. So mwana mwari ora ainara ora haukira unkumake political ground. No ndemo encouraging kamwira na unkume. Ake I focused, ake meani binkwenda. Ake dhai so much into na te baraba kaua. Baraba inara nturene na te oa kaua sijui nda unkuma no manto ya thoke. Baire nde baira ari. We mwana mwari a focused. Menya oni ntukwe mandenda kwa politician. Na inko werwa maybe ntukwe mambeta nde women no kona. Na nde dande women rep can karinjari baba inge kunkumake political ground. No to it is just a it is meko baba yukake career. It is a normal career. Ariba unkumake political ground. Watoe manifesto, wafanyie watu kazi, juu mtoto msichana ni kama mwanaume.
Na baby, I don't know, wewe ngona atoma ni jaga, you know, maybe michema netenu tu makako kongero nagu, one boyfriend, you know, there's so many things. You know, arume abe na inyega no, okay.
Okay, yauka nata nkamani jimisama ni yotuko, kwena gintu kitawa brotherhood, sisterhood. Kwena bora portray yourself Kenya kire arume ba kwa heshima
ba ukuduka
ba kaida vibe kwa that, yani you are disciplined enough such that hakuna mwenye anaweza ku disrespect. Nonto most of mishamanyo rimalia aidha are akua ona ndamburinga iranka mwera wetora you have to pick me. Unaona hapo kwa boyfriend sitasema niko na yeye.
Lakini okay leo I think waiting ya maandamano.
Of course kuna that like
hiyo ni uongo TV ni bwana.
Kuna ile of course awetikia but kuna ile win the trust of your boyfriend. That is what you can do as a girl. Mueleze tuira na like otembisi eteri and na we yo mwirari dream meko tibu we boyfriend okwa itoetikanelele ndio kuriamo so na dream na through this aibu kabidha maisha yako ndio innovation ekwa independent woman in my life so you have to adhere with me and kwetikela conditions yako ndio mwari na de girlfriend oku umbetekele mbukumeke politics na mimi unajua lazima kukwe bukitikanela buriano mukakwita ibomenyani ndio kadhi kuko respect ngako respect kenda na no mwankambe then day at a position of winning your trust more in case rari mali andingira thimu na kwenda tweta meeting kamera babe nimeita na rimali nimeita na rimali ama nimeita na maora ya kwenda na meeting and if you feel insecure tunaweza enda na wewe unifikishe na tuntewe tikiara tweta tuteta tu yantobaita of course tureta tutrime kwena anto baba ingisio na inyaka itakaraka utora ukitaka kunikujia you can so that is how you can handle that.
Wow. So nice ngwetegia insecurities tiura lakini kwena that trust no to what viongozi thank you very much no to kwa twena kanya kwa ni I think tuwachwa kanya kaga nukangia maybe kwaraniria muno nkurukina tukimenya antu maingi makona Tharaka University maybe mberutu magoka maybe mugambo wa muthia tukirikiria kiongozi
inkirikiria kunkauga Tharaka University is the best university in the whole world and some part of it
sure yeah
kwa sababu Tharaka University ni university ra kunkuma in time ukadiri in time courses yes yara but they for the last 2 years Tharaka University imekuwa ranked ikiwa number 2 kwa the performance that means tunaenda kwa njia nzuri leo kiromba atikire bonde bamiro tuinana betu aribetu na ndakasi chetu ila sidreti form 4 yes ila form 4 siemochie Tharaka University tunaanza na kuna diploma na certificate kuna degree kuna masters na kuna PhD na dhaitu kumeteka intake ya September tukiwa twina nursing tuna clinical medicine so course CGC ya medicine ndio kumake intake ya September na pia tunaanza school of law the same September intake. So athikiria bonde ba Meru TV kibomba na unturene turetenia twa Tharaka University. Kwa sababu Tharaka University education hapo ni for freedom. Na courses yetu si Tharaka University si very affordable. Yeah.
Bwega sana kiongozi, thank you
na berendiria na kedi mbere athikiria bonde ba Meru TV ba you can get this year Professor Peter Muriungi see the university na bonde temno no Meru counter so ni do tueta tomono.
Bwega sana, thank you very much kiongozi, mirambo ya muthia tukirekeria.
For me, acha niseme hivi, Tharaka University is only place that we can get what you desire in life. Education for freedom is our motto. Tukua Tharaka University, wazazi wote, you are welcome, student. Utatupata hapo kama G7. Tuhakikishe ya kwamba mtoto wako anafaidika kimasomo na wenye walimaliza form 4 last year. Welcome to Tharaka University. From my county, Murang'a County, tumetoka county moja na Dede Nyoro. Niwaambie nimetoka Murang'a County, nilichagua shule Tharaka University because I knew this is a growing university. Nikaamua nikuje Tharaka University because I know education is the only weapon that can change the world. So acha tukuje Tharaka University, and with our VC we are well. We are good with him. We love him, and let me say welcome once again to Tharaka University.
Asante sana, thank you very much kiongozi. Sophie migambo ya muthia tukirekeria.
Ambo ntubambere Tharaka University, it is the only university irokeana wone VC. I can testify that. Weta most of the school ira tai university ira nkuru. Weta okaure for the no VC wenu menya. Either menya. But nawaambia Tharaka University, that's hiyo ni chance ingine inakuanga so smart. Kupata like you can see your VC anytime. Unaweza mu approach, unaweza ona ofisi yake ndo ile. And some na rimwe twithatu mwendete mnono nto otire murito inyore kukanore ko. Aumbikiweta mimbi enda kumu approach utweka ukato. So that is one of the opportunity irokeya omeone Tharaka. Another opportunity in education to in a like combination ira itoneka most of the schools. Ukona baba inge babithiria course na baby kwa Tharaka neko offer some courses so ako like hi siningejua. Watu ikatwe na most of the courses ira chi affordable na watu ika we are so accommodative kwa Tharaka, so you can come na inya changing of courses either is so easy either is so complicated. No way you wa feel ntewi kwa kubidhi yambidhi it is so easy bakubidha ilio wao na wa change course. There is that opportunity. Alafu Tharaka University, it is a place where you will explore, you will adventure and get a lot of opportunities. Onde unkuma 1.1 da unkumere drama. Nimeingia national twice. In Tharaka University I have 4 certificates za drama, regionals na nationals. Imbaire ingi ina opportunity cia ukinyila all the universities na mostly nya with outside nonto ya president and suna ketha Uganda. You see? And Nkuma University Tharaka, bear in mind okay when that opportunity to explore a lot and bearing in mind that our aim is academics. Au ni watu enda perfect kabisa. Form 4 leavers wenye wako huko nje wenye amja apply hata usiweke hizo options zingine. We have a lot of courses. Go and apply. Eka direct. By the way ndaekere Tharaka direct na ndaewa. You see? So go and apply direct wenye mimbi wamekuwa hawaja apply. Go and apply. Come learn with us. Education for freedom, and you will benefit from Tharaka. Now I regret Tharaka.
Bega sana, thank you very much.
Mr. Phineas, mpereo inga kwena muthikirira kenda mimbi mwana wake ya Tharaka na kenda more guidance ya kila application. Namba thikira kaya na namba thimu ila mombo kinyila no Tharaka University.
Okay.
So muthikirira wa Meru TV no kinyile Tharaka University ukilogera namba 07 or 135 912 33 07 135 912 33 kana 07 21 83 95 83 0721 83 95 83. Mwalimu sana na Buya Tharaka University. Thank you.
Buya sana. Thank you very much. Buya nontu bakwa tuna kanyaku na murethire wa Meru TV nkatho zuche mwanya nontu bakwa na mbere kwegwa tuwatanirite kire mubango wetu kire wetu rukirwe mundi atu na mbere kwa tukiragira mantu maingi na ara muno ntere Tharaka University kwogu ukaina mbere kwegwa ugichwaga direction ukaina mbere kwa kiendaga kumenya maingi nkuruki ngwete yo kuina mbere kwa kinenkerwa na mbere ni thimu gatumira ukaina mbere kwa kimenyaga maingi ni una nkabothe bambitane family zo Kimathi ndeni ya mubango wetu aturingeme utikikura hayengo chokera akengo tuina mbere kwa tukiriragiria mantu makonenie na the state of the nation uko ni kwa Meru TV.
Je, unatafuta elimu bora yenye ujuzi wa kipekee? Karibu Embu College, chuo kinachoongoza katika taaluma mbalimbali. Tunasajili wanafunzi waliopata C kufanya diploma, D kufanya certificate na waliopata D minor na E kufanya artisan courses. Jisajili leo ili upate kufanya courses zifuatazo: School of Accounting and Business, School of Engineering, School of ICT and Computer Science, School of Education, School of Cosmetology, Caregiver Training, Driving courses na zinginezo. Wanafunzi wetu wamekubalika kufanya mtihani wa NEC, SIDAC na ule wa NITA. Tunajivunia vilabu na jamii za wanafunzi zenye msisimko zinazosaidia kukuza vipaji vyako, uongozi na mtandao wa marafiki wa maisha. Wahitimu wetu ni vinara katika sekta mbalimbali, wakiongoza na kuleta mabadiliko makubwa. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kupitia 0721 152 709 au 0741 871 257. Au tembelea website yetu ili uweze kujiunga nasi. Embu College, skills to go places.
Mumero itwakwigire wirane ati kagita konde ntugo chionde
tukenza nkuri enkwego na gukirania mpingo
na kubura mpingero na gukinya ibingivyo kwenjele ibobi ukinyedhiria nteto ora cio tukinyela
Moroto wetu na ukumenyithia monthe mara makuthina mbere nturani yaku ndeni ya nthiguru na kinya ome ya nthiguru tukinyete mpige kwagirithia wira bubu.
Mumero augire waiwoge mpe kamutomwa kuri na nkireba iri na mungenyo niria iri na mwambukirie
no tubo nikio gitumi turi Meru TV twirebete na biashara beto wakakara mata turi amwe kumatia uguri na wendia thokone cietu.
Meru TV ni twititinkathi kwagirithia uthomi na wandiki bwetu kwa nteto turi ruone na mwankali wa ngine cietu cio kamati.
Kawethira bambitani family wa Kimathi watanea nani kirimetha yetu ya ndeto ntugo chionde cha Jumapili, Jumatatu na Jumanne ngikumenyire bora kuri kirimetha yetu ya ndeto ugoro na cyo ntugo cha Jumatano na Alhamisi owatanea nani turikane kiri mubango waturinge emerukiri tukirira mangatheti na kumurika bora mugongo othiete na mbere ake agakiri Meru TV.
Ogwatanira nani Dennis Mutuma ntuko chionde cha Jumatatu na Jumanne ndene nteto cha Meru TV rukiri nkuruki tochamani ntuko chionde cha Jumatano na Alhamisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV ogoro.
Watanira na uni terimbabu kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alhamisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV muthenya kumenyethia urakuri.
Watanira nani Njeri wa Cheupe ntuko chionde cha Juma na Jumamosi ngikuretera nteto cha Meru TV ogoro na ntuko ya Jumapili kiri mubango lwa rumuri rwa siasa.
ugeja kwithira nuguchwa antu aega akuria agonywa ona kuthithiria michemanio ukabio na bionthe Pix Hotel na Nyuki. Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na nyomba cia kurara na inthongi cia mithembe thatu: Standard, Superior na Executive. Koroki kuri na nyomba cia michemanio ciomba kuju gikundi biantu magana jairi. Rooftop nayo ni thagirwa iri na gukara na ukionaga Mount Kenya, Aberdares Ranges na Lodaiga Hills. Kairi Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na gym, swimming pool ya ruji rwa murutera, steam bath, sauna, ona massage na beauty parlor. Outdoor fitness center nayo iri na kieni kia michetho na team building, kuthithia michemanio, mirano ona biatho. Oku ukethirwo na low ropes, high ropes, zipline na outdoor gym. Anto bomba kuthithia camping na maema oku. Pix Hotel bali na kambi mwitoni jwa Mount Kenya, na aria baikagia antu kuthithia forest camping na kuthoma mantu ja maingi ja guchia kakirime karie na miturire. Nkoroki ni babangaga gwitia kirima kia Mount Kenya mwanka point Elenana iria iri mita 985 kuma level ya area. Pix Hotel na Nyuki iri kilomita 3 mbere ya gukinya tauni ya Nanyuki umite Bwamero. Kumenya manto nkoroki ringa thimu gukorokira 0711 969 690 kana 0782 426 689. Email ni info@pixhotel.co.ke na website ni www.pixhotels.co.ke. Pix Hotel na Nyuki, beauty and taste with nature. Nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ja kuimba nyomba yaku na style rio kwenda. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aja ni ondobu waku. Nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya mwanya na rangi mwanya mwanya. Kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey ni ringi mbingi orowici. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges, tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bia nyumba yeku. Nkoroki
ne tukamataira ateja betu mabati mwanka mochi. Duralong turi Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki toriongere bichine chieto kana toringere thimo kukorokera 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited, tested, approved and trusted.
Karibuni RGM Sunday tarehe 2.
Dakenededea bambirire twiteni nyomba ya baba. Meru TV na There FM ni bakugwatoge ni gwe mukari walare kiri mubango jwa tukumi. Jurejo kagite ka imwe kwa imwe kanichene ya RGM. Jumapili je ya tariki 2 mwezi wa 3 mwaka jio.
Pendwa, tunakukaribisha katika kibindi gitawa ukumia kirithirwa kiria kanisene yetu ki kanisa ya RGM Lare. Kwa hivyo ningukuromba ntugwe kiumia watanire na batwe twe kanisa ya RGM na Meru TV tukureterete kibindi kia ukumia.
Akaribalare ijeni nyomba ya baba ya RGM tokumietori amwe na kamwathani amwe na andikinteto bange ba Meru TV na There FM.
Mpendwa mtazamaji, tarehe 2 mwezi wa 3 na kukaribisha hapa RGM Church Lare ambapo tutakuwa na come together. Kumbuka tutakuwa na Meru TV live na wakaribisha nyote.
Ni Jumapili je ugakorokeroa
Anuije no aranire no bichichia Meru TV na There FM okaigwa kuri no ntobote okugweria kuma kire programu ire igwetaruone. Nandi no tume maoni jaku gukorokira email yetu iria ni merutvcomplaintcenter@gmail.com kana turingire thimo gukorokira 0114 190 962. Meru TV kionere mwanya.
Unatafuta elimu bora yenye ujuzi wa kipekee? Karibu Embu College, chuo kinachoongoza katika taaluma mbalimbali. Tunasajili wanafunzi waliopata C kufanya diploma, D kufanya certificate na waliopata D minor na E kufanya artisan courses. Jisajili leo ili upate kufanya courses zifuatazo: School of Accounting and Business, School of Engineering, School of ICT and Computer Science, School of Education, School of Cosmetology, Caregiver Training, Driving courses na zinginezo. Wanafunzi wetu wamekubalika kufanya mtihani wa NEC, SIDAC na ule wa NITA. Tunajivunia vilabu na jamii za wanafunzi zenye msisimko na zinazosaidia kukuza vipaji vyako, uongozi na mtandao wa marafiki wa maisha. Wahitimu wetu ni vinara katika sekta mbalimbali, wakiongoza na kuleta mabadiliko makubwa. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kupitia 0721 152 709 au 0741 871 257 au tembelea website yetu ili uweze kujiunga nasi. Embu College, skills to go places.
Mumero itwakwigire wirane ati kagita konde ntugo chionde
tukenza nkuri enkwego na gukirania mpingo
na kubura mpingero na gukinya ibingithio
kwenjela ibobi ukinyithiria nteto ora cio tukinyela
Moroto wetu na ukumenyithia monthe mara makuthina mbere nturani yaku ndeni ya nthiguru na kinya ome ya nthiguru tukinyite mpige kwagirithia wira bubu.
Mumero augire waiwoge mpe kamutomwa kuri na nkireba iri na mungenyo niria iri na mwambukirie
no tubo nikio gitumi turi Meru TV twirebete na biashara beto wakakara mata turi amwe kumatia uguri na wendia thokone cietu.
Meru TV ni twititinkathi kwagirithia uthomi na wandiki bwetu bwa nteto turi ruone na mwankali wa ngine cietu cio kamati.
Kawethire bambitani famina zwa Kimathi watanea nani kirimetha yetu ya ndeto ntugo chionde cha Jumapili, Jumatatu na Jumanne ngikumenyire bora kuri kirimetha yetu ya ndeto ugoro na chio ntugo cha Jumatano na Alhamisi owatanea nani turikane kiri mubango watulinge emerukiri tukirira mangatheti na kumurika bora mugongo othiete na mbere ake agakiri Meru TV.
Ogwatanira nani Dennis Mutuma ntuko chionde cha Jumatatu na Jumanne ndene nteto cha Meru TV rukiri nkoroki tochamania ntuko chionde cha Jumatano na Alhamisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV ogoro
Watanira na uni terimbabu kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alhamisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV muthenya kumenyethia urakuri.
Watanira nani Njeri wa Cheupe ntuko chionde cha Juma na Jumamosi ngikuretera nteto cia Meru TV ogoro na ntuku ya Jumapili kiri mubango lwa rumuri rwa siasa.
It is something good, not you're doing something that is growing you. I'm doing something that is growing me. Kwa tuatirimana together two mature human beings. Na tuambirire kuga maturity is that power to take responsibilities. Yes. Kwa udande feminaz biria kira kiratumite mpenda kwariria about adult friendship is because people have been asking me ntijura ndira muthithiria ati umbaririe ni wankirira ngo kiraira. I give you time, I let you be, and I want my friends to understand. I use the let them theory. If you don't call me, fine. If you don't test me, fine. If we don't meet for coffee, fine. But I go back to myself and evaluate. Kwe umpomba kwe ndithithie feminaz. If not, nkameta a season in my life. Some friendships are there. In fact, all friendships are seasonal. It doesn't mean there are very few that carry their relationships to Jojo level. Your friends that you've created and living, creating, living, that is life. And that's how things are supposed to be. Lakini kweba BFF, bara wambaniriria, you know, you've shared the same challenges, you've shared the same problems, you've shared the same, let's say, growth, you're in the same growth level. And wow, how do you keep them? Just maintain those relationships. Well, let them doesn't mean, it could mean, we work together. I don't have to go ahead and become disappointed. Yani have that heart ekuga feminaza regere kujukethimwe kwa nontu no kari busy. Watinda kuga ate kwendo mbitika ate kwendo mbaridia ntukuni. Why do you have that time? Ekuga feminaz ate kwenda kujukethimwe. You have even called once for heaven's sake. Kwa anto by friendships time to mature. Kumbe over the timing we kinya gweta mtu BFF at least 1 year down the line.
Yes.
Kindu kingi have the habit of going fast. You know ukauga kuri antu bauga fitha rego ndingira thimu na arwari ndemuringira kaire mwaka jo. And you've made the decision. But you don't know, maybe I'm even unwell. Okay, make that decision. So have that habit. Amuringire nyedro atira jukiri. You know, utina that ka place in your heart where ka kurega kujukiri. That's what I'm teaching people. Uka create those negative boundaries so quickly. Ukamba kwa mtu time. Mwamuona mtu atikujukia. Me, their friends I stay even without calling them for months. But when we make that call, it's like we were together yesterday. Why? The connection is pure. Ntina rudido, ntina anything, you left, I'm here, I'm doing my own things. Nambera antu, unless you understand your own life, your own self, you don't want antu bakimbudo, you're a new member in the office. A woman or a man, uko antu bambiririe kumutikireka threat. Putira menya mtu usinziari, lakini bwambiririe judgment. When will we stop judging people? Muntu aja in the office, they are new. They don't want to interact with you. Let them.
Yes.
Muntu aguranja, they don't want to interact with them. Let them. Nabara bangina boba kireta friction in homes. Inu mbera anto asiari, especially asiari barabe nare. Nawe a mother-in-law. If you make your daughter-in-law life a hell, someone else will make your daughter a life in hell. Kurere mwana kwa decide I want to be with feminists. Who are you to question why? Why feminists? Feminists, imbize why feminists?
Yes.
Na yoninga karana feminists. So I know the reasons why I've chosen him. Ko bara bangi beto chwirana bawe kuruna. Na kuru.
Kamwira ari kabo uri twe.
No kabo. Okay, kwe umusiari akwira oka evaluate. But asiari sometimes because of how they grew up, ibe there been some level of fear. No kaigwa musiari akiuga, I think that is genuine. But you are also genuinely in love with this person. What do? The choice is yours.
Yes.
Nambera asiarira mwana atire mwekuru choose ninga akara no yowe. And give them a space to be together. Kura dete musiari igwe wonerera ire mwekuru mutana gwokirire. For example, ugo ukaira tha komicho tuko gukama kwa nguku irio mwana atina nguku bado kana ng'ombe cio kama urenda okira bucamukia ruzi buba iri kenda burunga makugwatira ndobu kama mwana for example bugena kana kani. So what I'm telling people is urio ka atendera mwana mndwe gwaku ndogire in another church PCA Githongo mwana kubara we nabo if they are not the ones to suffer anabao nontu wira watiri tithiria muntu ntubu bwega nontu kwina rojo kana thaingi. So inyoko na mwana kuna aragurire a difficult wife. Create a relationship. Not with the difficult self, but with the real person. Kwe muntu nginda igirwe ntuko ingi it's heavy lawyer ugire choice yewe emunene na ku go through the consequences of the choice. Have you said the choice of the president he made? He was clear in his mind the kind of person he was electing.
Yes.
Na tayari kulive na consequences. Ndi maanisha tayari kulive na consequences. All these things that we are talking about. Na kuiwa, but alishira that was my choice.
Yeah.
Kuriria muntu akugo na mwana amwe kuri ogutiaririte ana. For example, kana mukuru okuri otikumara amamino ndu bwana baku na wowe. How are we supposed to relate with them? Kwambere ma umenye everything has consequences. Untu brabo ndio dide yapo ina consequences. Nambira to take time before you do something. Now if you've seen me do something, I've taken my time. No, to imbize there are consequences. And maybe I'm ready to live with the consequences of my actions. Are you? Kuna hande tukiari relationships and friendships. And to bare in the office corner. You know, nguge kwiko report other people. Oh, atakinyire, oh, atikinyire. Especially whether we munene, you shouldn't be fired. That's what someone told me the other day. But whether munene nguge wiko report ke the senior person, feminaz ariza nguge ne. When we munene, you should be able to deal with feminaz until the last time you're like, my option or my opinion or nkethere you only the feminaz kana. These are the reasons. Kuna ndi munene atita kuira munene owe the way people are unruly, the way people they are not performing. These are the reasons why my team is not performing. So you just munene a reporter. And that's how you remain relevant.